Hi, this is Jhannell Avergonzado representing Bachelor of Arts in English Language Department. Out of all the courses offered in Taliban Polytechnic College, I choose Bachelor of Arts in English Language because I want to be a teacher. Seeing children in the streets with no learnings and couldn't afford to go in school made me realize that our country need more professional teachers, not only professional teachers but also those teachers who have the heart to help those students who are less fortunate and cannot afford the expenses in school. I want to educate people, inspire people, as well as to guide them to reach for their dreams and goals in life. It is a great pleasure for me to represent Bachelor of Arts in English Language, and I'm so proud to be part of it. Laban BAEL,